I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops in home, only way. Start by gathering sugar, corn syrup, water, flavoring, a candy thermometer, molds, and sticks. Heat the sugar mixture carefully until it reaches the hard crack stage, and then add flavor and color off heat. Pour into molds quickly, set sticks, and cool fully before unmolding. I will guide you step by step with simple tips. The right ingredients and tools make lollipop success easy and repeatable. Measure sugar, corn syrup, and water precisely, and use a reliable candy thermometer to monitor temperature. Pick a few flavor oils and gel colors to create distinct varieties, and prepare silicone molds and lollipop sticks on a clean tray. A small brush and non-stick spray help release candies, and oven mitts protect your hands during the hot. Cooking sugar to the right temperature is the most critical step, and it is easier than it sounds. Bring sugar, corn syrup, and water to a boil while stirring until the thermometer hits 300 degrees F, then remove from heat immediately. Stir in flavor and color gently, working quickly as the mixture cools fast. Pour into molds carefully, place sticks, and allow candies to set fully at room temperature before handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.